Alright guys, here we go. Select football 1955. 1955. Select football. Fresh case. Second box from the case. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, Randy with 10. ST2. Dan 4. Mike 2. Nate 4. Ryan Jordan with 4. Andrew Lett 5. Chris G with 1. Alright guys, there you have it. 5 times. Ram.org. We'll mix it on up. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Ryan J's on top. Dan B, you're on the bottom there 5 times. Pacer and column B. That's the team you have for the break. Ryan Jordan Cardinals, Dan Falcons, Randy Ravens, Chris Bills, Ryan Panthers, Randy Bears, Bengals, Browns, Mike Cowboys, Randy Broncos, Nate Lions, Randy Packers, Dan Texans, Ryan Colts, Andrew Jacks Chief, Randy Rams, Ryan Dolphins, Nate Vikings, Randy Patriots, Mike Saints, Let Giants, Led Jets, ST Raiders Eagles, Nate Steelers Chargers, Dan Niners, Andrew Let Seahawks, Randy Bucks, Andrew Let Titans, and Dan B with the Washington Redskins. Andrew Let, when you watch this, man, make sure when you pay it's friends and fam. Alright, Kevin Ubel, you're good. Yeah, but there's some more slot going. Just hang tight, guys. Just hang tight, though. I'll get all you guys. Just once we get there. I'm trying to do one, so we fill it up. It's all in one shot, you know? Alright, Kevin Ubel, you can pay for yours. I get yours marked down right now. Anybody else, just hang tight. Just hang tight. There's 12 left. Alright, Kevin Ubel, I got you marked down. But no more, guys. Just hang tight. Alright, guys. Any trades here? What do we got? Yeah, guys, there's enough of select. There's enough premium jerseys, guys. No worries. I got plenty of stuff. Alright, guys, any trades? No, if Justin, we try. Oh, you're not even in this. What are you talking about? Alright, guys, here we go. No worries, guys. I'll get you guys down, but sometimes it's easier if I just go pull up the spreadsheet and you're like out 5, 4, 3, boom, boom, boom. We can move a little quicker. All his team for the Ravens. Who has the Ravens? Baltimore Ravens. Randy. Randy, you want the Texans, the Falcons, the Niners, and Washington? I'd take that deal, man. You got Darius Geis. You got Calvin Ridley. I'd do it. It's up to Randy. Is Randy, you still on? Give him a minute. Break it. Oh, wait, there's Randy. You guys are good? Yeah, we're good. I'll flip it over after. Alright. Pettis, Mariota, Roethlisberger, Kirk Cousins, purple out of 75. Sam Darnold. Cleo Mack, and what do we have here? Prism Redemption, running back number 3. Running back number 3. Mariota, filler, Michael Thomas, Big Ben. Josh Allen, Miller, Kirk Cousins, Rashad Penny at a 99. Josh Allen, Von Miller, Kirk Cousins, Rashad Penny, Michael Gallup, Anthony Miller, Mike White, Philip Lindsay, Prism, Calvin Ridley, DJ Moore. You lag? Are you playing a little Soul Calm on some PS2, man? You got a lag switch? Real news, you know what I'm talking about? A little Soul Calm on PS2. Michael Gallup, Mike Gesicki, DeAndre Hopkins at a 25. Ooh, nice. D-Hop at a 25. Little D-Hop this time of year. Love me some D-Hop this time of year. At a 25. Nice. DeAndre Hopkins at a 25. For the Texans. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, man? PS2, a little Call of Duty. People like, man, get off your lag switch, man. I remember one time I went on eBay and I was looking for one. Some people were selling lag switches. Ice, Tannehill, Keenan Allen, Denzel Ward, Travis Kelce. Yeah, I do. Yes, I do. It's on its own router. It's usually the internet. If you have slow internet and you're streaming, I mean, that's on, just on the other end. Yeah, low NW2 on 360. Who just sent me a message? Rick? Rick. Let's see who this is. Why can't I find this break? Alright. Keenan Ballage. Who we got here? Melvin Gordon, 75 patch. Nice. Melvin Gordon. Chris Godwin, Julio, Nick Chubb. Okay, on balance this time of year. Wilkins, Kirk, Bo Jackson, DJ Moore at 99. DJ Moore patch at a 99. So what do we got? 2 hits, a jersey auto, and some points. I didn't sneeze in my hand, I swear. Boy Scout honor. 2 patches. Better be an auto in here too, for reals. For reals. I probably has like 10 of them. Thanks, Jeff. Jeff, how many beers you shotgun after you saw the Browns got Odell Beckham? You're right. Where is JC? JC's chilling up here on my little mound of papers. Josh Adams, Freeman, Pettis, Jalen Samuels, D Hop. You gotta be Jalen Samuels at a 199. James Washington, Patrick Mahomes, Mike White, Jalen Ramsey, orange, 49. We got 2 packs left. You guys think they should open another auto or what? We only got 1 auto and 2 patches. But we got the they don't consider that a hit though, that redemption. So I'm thinking we should have an auto in here. Sutton, Chubb, Rogers, James Winston, Mr. Crablegs at 75. What's up, LB? Yeah, there's some on there. There's less than 10 left, but it'll be tomorrow, man. My baseball bats are coming in tomorrow. There better be. If not, Panini, we're short an auto. Oh. Kirk Cousins, Ben Roethlisberger, Panini points. They always put the points with the redemptions. You notice that? Quentin Nelson and David Johnson. Those dogs. Is that a thing? They always put the Panini points with the redemptions, I guess. I guess so. I guess so. That's my favorite, man. Alright, guys. Jacksonville, Pittsburgh, Minnesota, Seahawks, main hits. Alright, guys. Here we go. Let's check out what we got here. So, Carolina Panthers, RJ. What's going on here? Carolina Panthers, Ryan Jordan. San Diego Chargers, Nate Anderson. Nate, you're like always orange. That's like your designated color. Houston Texans, Dan B. And then this one's going to be for the 400 points. 400 points, guys. 400 points. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Ryan, you got the points. Alright, one more time, guys. This will be for the RB3 Prism. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And that's going to Nate Anderson. Another 5 times. This will be for the autograph mini helmet free spot mini helmet redemption. Or mini helmet spot. What am I saying? Redemption. 3 times, 4 times. Randy's guaranteed a spot. And Andrew Lutt. There you go, Andrew Lutt. Boom. Kapow. Oops. Oops. Alright. What in the world? Computer's being so weird today. Andrew Luck gets a spot, and Randy gets a spot. Let's break 1955. Select foosball. Select foosball. Alright, guys. Anybody has any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break. We go live every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you very much, and have a good one.